Welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild and the Evie edition. Hey Evie! Evie's having a lovely lie down in the shade. It is quite warm today. Hello Misty! Misty's coming over to say hello. Hello sweetheart. Hello you. And we'll have a look at the little monsters. Look at them all. They are getting so big. Hello little monsters. Just look at them all. 6 all lined up in the sun. Hello beautifuls. They really are chilling out in the sun today. Hey, it's hard work growing, isn't it? And of course Mum's coming to say hello. Hello! Misty does lie in some funny places, don't you, sweetheart? A couple of weeks ago I found her asleep on the grass with her head in a bowl. Honestly, I thought she had died. I just about had a heart attack. But she can relax anywhere, can't you, sweetheart? It is a beautiful day. Look at that sky. Not a cloud to be seen. Beautiful. Hey silly cat. We've got some more tulips popping up. Look at that. And there's a few to come yet. Don't you just love spring flowers? And in one of our Custard's other hangouts, we have quite a few bluebells popping up. Along with a Custard. Hello Custard! Some beautiful stock. More bluebells. Oh, we got a nice foxglove popping up over there. The Hebe. Beautiful. And we have our first geranium flower opening. There's tons of buds there, so it's going to be a brilliant display. Now this is a geranium. They grow really big and they have big heads of many flowers, unlike what most people wrongly call a geranium, which is a pelargonium. So this is not a geranium, it is called a pelargonium, and this is just one of the ones we have around here. You get them in many different colours, and it's the leaves that mainly smell, but it's great for the bees. Look at that bumblebee bumbling around. And I have a silly cat who wants my attention, don't you? Don't you, pussycat? Do you want attention? Do you? Do you want attention? Hello. Is this what you want? Is that what you want? Oh, big kitty, aren't you? Who's a big kitty? Who's a big kitty? Evie's having another bath. It's good to be clean, isn't it, Evie? What else do you do on a beautiful sunny day? You have a bath. Good girl. Hey, sugar. I see that's a bit of a scratching post, sugar. Hello, Evie Weevie. Hello. How's my girl? Hello, babies. Hey, little one. Where are you going, Evie? Where are you going? We go at the back. I go and see your friends. Come on, honey. No? Where are we going? Where are we going? Hey, Shuggy Wugs. Good girl. Where are we going? Woo! Hey, Evie Weevils! Oh my gosh, see that little yellow one over there? That is typical boy behaviour. I think that one's a boy. Yep. Lying down to eat. That's what Mr. Duck did. So I have a sneaking suspicion that both of the yellow ones are boys. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You come out to see everyone, Evie, because I'm talking to your babies. Well, that's it for now. I've had Misty help me. I have fed everyone and we're about to put the chickens away, and all the guineas have got nice clean houses. Hello Gingings. So it's been a busy day today. Hello. Hey Smokey. And hello Bandit. Hey Smokey. And there's our Bandit. Hello Bandit. Hello Smokey. I think it's time to go to bed in a minute, isn't it? Oh well. That is all for now. I'm tired and I think I need a rest. So, thank you for watching as usual. And stay wild about gardening. Stay wild about these silly creatures. No, they're lovely creatures. And just remember that animals are here with us and not for us. They're definitely not here for us to eat. You don't eat your friends, do you? Okay, so see you next time on Gardener Gone Wild. Bye for now. Hello, Mr. Duck. It's time for Betty Buys. You tell everybody about it. Tell everyone to like, subscribe, leave us a comment, because we'd love to hear from you, wouldn't we, Mr. Duck? Yes.